Hi Stacey, I'm just going to go over this question for you just now, unless you jump back on. Okay. Claire's baked 60 scones to sell at the school fair. Some are fruit and some are treacle. Write an equation using F and T to illustrate this information. I'll put my pen in. Fruit scones, and we've got treacle scones, and altogether we have 60 scones. She sells the fruit scones for 25 pence. Now what's your units here? That's in pence, that's in pounds. I'm going to change this into pounds. 25p for a fruit scone. Apologies for my in the background. 20 pence, which again I'm going to change into pounds, for a treacle scone, and altogether that makes £13 and 25 pence. So I want to find the number of treacle scones that Claire sold, so I want to find T. So F plus T is equal to 60. 0.25F plus 0.2T is equal to £13.25. Okay, so there's equation 1, there's equation 2. Awkward numbers again. I'm going to times equation 1 by 0.2 so that these match. So I get 0.2F plus 0.2T equals, and 60 times 0.2, I'm going for 12, but let me just check it. Okay, I'm then going to take away, oh yeah, that's the meeting stopped. I'll start it again once I finish this. So I'm going to take away, so I get 0.05F is equal to £1.25. So F is equal to 1.25 divided by 0.05, which is 25. So there's 25 fruit scones. I'm going to sub that into 1. So we get F plus T is equal to 60. Oh, no, it's F that's 25. So 25 plus T is equal to 60. So T must be 35. And then we remember and answer the question. So 35 treacle scones were sold. Hope this helps. If not, please get back in touch.